What's up guys, welcome to Trade, Scalp and Fun. After watching my sumo indicator video, most of them were asking how to catch big trends using sumo. Is sumo used only for scalping or can we catch big trends? So today in this video, I'm gonna show you guys the strategy to catch big trends using sumo and VWAP. Let's understand the template. Sumo combines data and price action analysis which supports the trader in decision making for an entry, and we will be using VWAP as a thin layer between long and short entry. Let's begin with the strategy now. Let's start with the bullish entry. As you can see, the blue line is our VWAP and the price is trading above VWAP, so we will look for bullish entry. You can see we have buy signal in sumo. So we can now go long with Nifty futures or we can buy call option. I would always look for an entry only after the completion of 3 to 4 candles. So that is once a 15-minute candle is formed, then I look for an entry. As we can see here, the candle has broken the VWAP. So I will look for a bullish entry from now on. So let's wait and watch if we can get any bullish entry. So see, here we have got a bearish entry, but as it is trading above VWAP, I will only scalp. I will not wait for 1:1 target. I'll just scalp. So it's kind of forming bullish entry. Let me just keep it ready. So we have an entry here. So this would be my stop loss and my first target would be 1:1. So 19 points is my stop loss and 19 points would be my first target. So let's see whether it would hit our target. So our target is hit, but I don't see any weakness in sumo yet. So I'll extend my target. So I'll fix it somewhere around 40. Now let's just hope if we can get any other better entry. Okay, so still it is continuing. So we haven't found any bearish entry yet. Okay, my second target is also hit. So I'll again extend the target as I don't see any weakness in sumo. Okay, now I see a bearish entry, so I'll exit here. Now let's find out the entry for bearish position. As we can see, the price is trading below the VWAP. So we will be looking only for the bearish trades. If we find any bullish entry, we would only scalp as the price is below VWAP, because that bullish entry might be a small retracement. Here we see that sumo is showing us the bearish entry and the price is below VWAP. So we can short futures or we can buy put option. Now let's see how to take the bearish trade. As I told you earlier, I would wait until 3 to 4 candles are formed. So 3 candles are formed and the 4th candle has actually broken the VWAP. So I would look only for the bearish trades now. So here we have a bearish trade. So I'll take an entry here. You can see that sumo has clearly shown us the bearish entry. So I'll take 35 points as my first target. So if the market creates a lower high, then I would go with the trend and I'll trail my stop loss. So let's see whether it is going to create a lower high, whether this lower high is created below the VWAP. Okay, we have a lower high. So now I'll trail my stop loss to the nearest peak and I'll extend my target. So let's just wait and watch now whether the market is going to continue with the trend. As you can see, the sumo is still bearish. So I'll trail my stop loss to the nearest peak and then again I'll extend my target. So now we just have to see whether it is going to create the lower highs below the VWAP. If it is creating the lower highs below the VWAP and if sumo indicator is showing us a continuous bearish or weakness in the indication, then we can go with the trend. So as you can see, again we got a bearish entry, so I'll trail my stop loss and I'll extend my target again. So my stop loss would be the nearest peak and my target would be extended. We haven't seen any bullish entry as per now, so now the market is somewhat sideways, so I'll just tighten my stop loss, so that just to be on safer side I'll put my stop loss to the nearest peak. Let's see if it hits or if it goes down. Okay, as you can see, it has hit my stop loss, so I'll exit my bearish trade here. And as the market is still trading below VWAP, we found an entry here again for a bearish trade. So the market is trading below the VWAP, so I'll enter a short position again. You can see there I showed you that we had a bearish entry. Sumo is showing us a bearish entry, so here again my target and stop loss would be 1:1. So let's just see my target. This target would be the first target, and if the market goes below, then I'll trail my stop loss. Okay, now I'll trail my stop loss and I'll extend my target. So let's just wait and watch whether it is going to take a reversal or it's still going to be in the same trend. So I'll trail my stop loss again to the nearest peak. Let's wait and watch. Okay, it is going to hit my stop loss, I guess. Okay, it has hit my stop loss. Now let's find out the option buying rules. If at the money IV is between 16 to 18, then you can buy option whose delta is greater than 0.65. If at the money IV is between 18 to 21, then you can buy option whose delta is greater than 0.55. And if at the money IV is below 16, then it's better to avoid option buying. And guys, if you are looking for these values, then you can log into Sensible. You'll find the values of IV and the delta. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.